Okay, so hello students, very good afternoon everyone. As you know, I'm your science teacher and here I'm just going to take a class of class 8th. Okay, so students, in this video I'm just going to telling you about the syllabus of your second unit test. Okay, so as you know students, your unit test, the maximum marks of unit test is a 50. Okay, so in this unit test you have to means your syllabus is of unit 4th and unit 3rd and unit 4th. Okay, unit 3rd and unit 4th. Clear? So from the unit 3rd, the chapter is matter and non-matter will become in your exam. Sorry, this one is the unit 2nd. Unit 2nd and unit 3rd. Clear? Okay. So your syllabus is of unit 2nd, the chapter 4, that is matters and non-matters. You have to read the complete lesson, and unit 3rd, your chapter is cell structure. This is the chapter 7. Okay, so chapter 7, that is a structure and function of a cell. This is your unit 3rd chapter and chapter 7. So this is your syllabus for your examination, unit test examination. Okay. Now what you have to read in this chapter. So students, last unit test I didn't give you the long answers for writing. But in this unit test, you have to learn also long answers. So I included long answers also and objective. So all the things, firstly you have to read the objective questions. Whatever given, objective questions, one words, okay, true, false, very shorts, shorts, as well as key words. And one thing is most from this unit test. For this unit test, structure and function. So cell structure is a very important, the plant and animal cell. So you have to prepare for this. Okay, and keywords you have to learn, I told you. So means you have to complete prepare your chapter matter and non-matter and structure and function of a cell. Okay, and long answer also include in this type. So you have to prepare the long answers also. Okay, so this is all about of today's class, and this is all about of your syllabus. If you have any query, I will take your live class also. So you have to join and ask me. Okay. I will start your revision also, and I will give it worksheet for the revision test, as well as I take your revision as I taken my first unit test. Okay, so you have to prepare for this chapter. After the completing of your pressure, which I taught you yesterday, I will start your revision. So you have to join your live classes. Okay, have you any queries? So you can ask me in my WhatsApp number also. Is that clear? So this is all about of my today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.